Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Oluchi, and you're welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be talking about, in this video, I will show you how I planted my ugu seeds. Ugu, that's Nigerian ugu pumpkin leaf. So, enjoy the video. Please like this video, please subscribe if you enjoy it. Thank you. About this ugu, a week before I planted it, the the seller advised that I cut it the way it is now. I cut it open a little, then allow it to ferment for a week before planting them. So that's why it looks rotten at the beginning of the video. So I'm trying it out. This is the first time I'm trying this method. So I want to see how it will yield or what becomes of it, how well it will do. Okay, thank you for watching. Please to help me to subscribe. Thank you.
You know good, but the one we plant last, good well.
So from this small pot, I got about, let's count together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29. The woman that came to assist me now took 20. So that is 49 altogether. Okay, let's go planting. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. So I'll be using these sticks here to mark where I planted them. So I'll be using this bed. This you're seeing here is in my home. I do not have a farmland. This is just in my home. Just here, there is my building. Okay. So as I plant, okay, let me first make mark where I will put them. Let me first put the sticks. So 1, this might confuse me. Start with the tip side. This side is going into the ground of the soil. Here is my bitter ginger. Hope it does better than this. Okay. You shine, Lord, you shine like a bright morning star, like a bright morning star. Jesus, what a wonder you are. Mind you, this is just a temporal site for them. Let's call it a nursery bed. By the time they start germinating, I am going to replant. Okay. So here I've done all the planting. There are about 12 of them. 12 of them here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 11, 12. God, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 13. 13 of them.
Now this is
Yeah, so I'm going to cover them up and water them. Though the soil is wet, I'm still going to water them. I'm not a professional farmer. I'm still learning, and I hope you learn with me. The professional farmer, seasoned farmer, whichever one I beg. Grow with me. So, the woman I called earlier to help me check out the ugu pod, is it pod or pot? Pod. She advised that I let the seeds dry out first, like 24 hours before planting. But the people I bought the ugu from said they helped me to open the pot, then I should leave it for 1 week. After that week, immediately I'm removing it from the pot. I should plant immediately. I shouldn't dry them. So, I want to get my head confused, but I wouldn't mind. So I have to divide them into 2. Here, right now, I have 13 seeds inside the soil, undried, fresh from the pot. So I've planted them and going to see how well they will do. Then the remaining ones, I'm going to dry them. I'm not going to let them dry. So by tomorrow, I'll plant them too. And I'm going to give a mark. I'm doing this whole place for the first 13, this other side for the next ones. So by tomorrow, I'll do the next planting. I'm going to water these ones now. Forgive my system of watering. This is what I have for now. Everything is done manually. I don't want to spend much. Just see what everything what I have can give to me. Just want to use everything I have available. Okay. Peace of God be upon you.